All right, so another good day, another good ride. We're going over to the South OC Cars and Coffee, but not the M5 today, definitely the Aprilia Tuono. Yeah, so since my last vlog, this one's the next one, riding impression. Of course, having the Akrapovic exhaust, right? And yeah, it's just amazing. So you're gonna hear that today. I also have the UpMap. I still am running the race ECU from the programming from the Aprilia race ECU instead of the Gabbro. So just trying to get some last kind of rides with it, and then I'm going to switch over to the Gabbro racing map. And yeah, I'm really excited. So let's check it out. Let's have some fun. Also, you see the Powerbronze windscreen. So there's a few things that I've done to it. Even the ergonomics, right? So I have now the handlebar risers effectively, and you can see them, and then I have it a little bit raised up. Then I have, of course, the Rizoma, Genesi, side mirrors, and you see the protection, of course, with the RNGs, right? The frame sliders, fork protector, front and rear, on the rear swing arm as well. Then having all the Rimoto bar ends. So yeah, it's pretty good now. So I also have, of course, the tail tidy, and I'm really enjoying that one. If you guys saw the other video I did on it, super happy with it. But yeah, the kind of status of the bike is almost done for this kind of phase. I still want to install some engine case protectors and so forth. So alright, I'm going to turn my airbag on and go for a little ride. So yeah, you can hear it, man. The neighbors are definitely waking up this morning. So trying to keep it composed a little bit, and with the bike is crazy. What can I say? And I love it. Good morning, neighbors. Good morning. A little bit cloudy today. It's all good. So you guys can hear effectively the exhaust, and yeah, I just love it. I love the whole combination now. Just comes to life. Definitely a lot more popping. I find myself definitely holding the higher revs now after the first service. Right, that's all done and over with. But it's just the bike is absolutely nuts, and I'm just super happy with it. Oh boy, that's moving. I'm gonna have to tighten that up before the highway. Tight. Let's see. Alright. Here we go. It's a little nuts, guys. It's a little nuts, but what can I say? Nothing bad about it. I think now I'm definitely enjoying the bike a lot more. Just getting over that first service, getting a few miles under my belt, and like honestly, just getting more comfortable with both the engine characteristics and like the overall chassis. I'm not able to push it as much, especially on these highways and back streets, but I've done a few canyon rides now, and whether it's going to Santiago Canyon over here close to Irvine, and being able to really enjoy a little bit of that and but I really need to get this bike at the track, because you know, it's really at the point now where it's massive from perspective of, you know, trying to push it. I'm not even getting close. So I know this is the first time too I'm shooting a video now with the Rizomas. Then you can see, right, great visibility, right, and you know, the adjustment is phenomenal. You can see even the convex portion of the mirror. I'm definitely happy I've done this one. Yeah, hit it. The bike is like super stable, and being able to really enjoy it. I think from my perspective, it's actually like the torque is so usable. Like right now, I definitely should be in first gear, but there's a Prius in front of me. But it's not a topic, right? Quick shifter, downshift. I think if I was going to say anything bad about this one, I really have to nitpick, because it's just been such a nice ride. And I think overall, like, maybe the turn signal canceling, right, it's not really, it's too long, so I find myself not even using it. You know, the wind is like, it's part of the naked category, right? So it's kind of to be expected. I'm talking to someone now about, you know, picking up the, like, the factory, or I should say the OEM Aprilia V4, like the touring version, right? The touring windscreen, just to get a full comparison now, because I've effectively have the original factory small OEM windscreen. Then I went now with this Powerbronze. I might even just get the huge windscreen as well and just do a comparison video on it. But I really feel that this Powerbronze is a good kind of medium. So, but let's see, you know, like canyon riding, of course I'm not at all worried about it, because just like in the tuck, it's like a little bit like 1/3, 2/3 torque, no problem, you know. But like full up, you know, like upright, you still have this kind of topic going on where you're getting hammered in the head. But my chest area, even with a Powerbronze, it's much less. I'm getting hammered much less. So for anyone on the fence, I think the Powerbronze is like a good medium. I do want to contact their support, because there's a little bit rubbing happening with my dash and the Powerbronze. So I just want to get that one discussed, whether I just, you know, got a spacing issue, factory issue. So I do want to, you know, give you guys an update at least on that. But from a wind protection topic, definitely enjoying the Powerbronze, no topic, you know, it's helpful. Like right now, just like 1/3 down, right? It's like not a problem. Almost full tuck, still fine, and I feel the wind traveling through the channels of my helmet. So yeah, so cloudy day today though, like for real. So super cloudy day, unfortunately, but no rain. It's like 1 to 5% chance. So instead of showing up in this thing in my M5, I figured I'd give it a go, you know, give this one a go. But let's see. Alright, you have the split already? Jeez, that traffic, huh? Man, like just started. What's going on? That just started. So there's the split like kind of lane split, lane filtering image, so you can still see the lanes, no problem. Oh, it is raining. It is. Oh, there we go. I spoke too soon. Oh man, here we go. Wow. Please. not too bad of a ride today, actually. Just, you know, a little bit of rain, a little drizzle. Hopefully, knock on wood, which this bike does not have. No mas. No mas. This Cars and Coffee event's typically pretty well attended. I'm going to be there on a capacity for work, so this is like one of those things where I love working in the automotive industry, or I would say the mobility industry in general, because because overall it doesn't feel like work, so even on a Saturday. And I got a good team. I got a good team working with me, so I'll share with you a little bit more, hopefully, as we get on site. You guys will know where I work. Like little clues. Yeah, that BMW M4 CS back there, man, it just looks mean. I love it. I absolutely love it. That's us. So that's that clutchless downshift to 1. So I guess some people are having a little bit of issue with that, because I keep getting asked, like, does mine do the clutchless downshift to 1? And yes, it does. No issue. Now I gotta keep it civilized, because obviously I'll pass like 3 or 4 cops rolling in. Alright, here we are. Nice. Very nice showing. I love it. There's an Aprilia right there. I love it. we're back on the highway, on our way back. Eduardo's in the back, one of my boys from work, and yeah, it was a good event, so hopefully we don't get rained out on the way back. But yeah, obviously I was there with Faraday Future today, right? But there's a lot of good cars, especially with the, you know, different Ferraris and different Lamborghinis, Porsches, so the exotics were there. It's also nice to see, like, in full force, you know, some of the more normal cars as well, right? So there's definitely BMWs, and even the JDM crowd is out there. Also the muscle cars. So from that perspective, you know, there's a lot of interesting things. I even saw, you know, a few right-hand drive Skylines, and I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. And yeah, so subscribe to the channel, like the video. Until next time, guys, take it easy.